This is Tracy again. I want to show you a fun little trick today to make prairie points for your projects. They make sweet little edges for pillows or table runners or towels, and they're simple to do. So I've used on this project a 2.5-inch square. Depending on the size of your project, you could use any size square you wanted. So it's an easy process. It's 2 steps. You're going to fold and create a triangle this way, and I'm using a little roller here to kind of press that seam in so that it'll hold a little better. And then you're going to repeat that process a second time. And again, I roll my seams just so they hold a little bit better. You can iron them as well. And then what you end up with is your raw edges are at the top. Those are going to get sewn in under your seams so that they're hidden. You have this little pocket here. I'm a little bit OCD, so my pockets all run the same direction. They're all running down on this pillow. If you're not OCD, then that won't matter for you. The tricky part about a prairie point, one is getting the pressing right, but the second part is, and you can see it on the back here, sometimes they like to slip a little. If it's on the back side, it doesn't matter, but if it happens on the front, you might want to unstitch that and redo it if it bothers you. But one of the things I found you can do in advance is get them all lined up pretty and baste them down, and then do your final stitching to hold them in place, and that will secure them in a way that they don't slip and give you that funky little edge on the front of your project.